Hey guys, today's question is clear digits. In this question, we are given with a string S which contains lowercase alphabets and some digits. And our task is to remove all the digits by doing the operations. In the one operation, what we can do is we can delete the first string, first digit, and the closest non-digit character to its left. Okay. Uh, Return the resulting string after removing all digits. Okay, so we have to return the result after removing all the digits. Now in this example, as there are no digits, so the output is same as the given string. In the example 2, we can see CB34. So this 3 will cancel out this 4 and this 4 will cancel out this C. Okay, so the resultant string will be null, okay, which is 0. Now let's take another example, like if example was something like A1 BC3 and let's say D7 EF8, like something was this. So what will happen, this 8 will cancel out this F, okay, because if we delete 8 we remove the first closest character to its left, which is which is not a digit. Okay, so we delete this. Now the 7 will cancel out this D, okay, this 3 will cancel out this C, and this 1 will cancel out this A. Okay, so the resultant string will be like BE. Okay, so this is a simple simulation problem. What we'll simply do is we will simply iterate from the right side. Okay, and whenever we encounter a digit, that means we won't add into the answer. Okay, we will take another string as an answer, which is empty string basically in the starting. What we'll do is when we encounter a digit, we will not add into the answer because we don't need to add digits, but this digit will also delete an character in the left side. Okay, so we'll increment a counter which initially we will set as 0, and whenever we encounter an alphabet, then we will check if the counter is greater than 0. Okay, that means there was a digit in the right side that will cancel out this character. Okay, so we will also not include this in the answer and we will decrement the counter. But if the counter is 0, okay, then we can simply add the character in the answer. Okay, so for example, if string was something like ABC D67, so we iterate from the right side. For this 7, counter will be incremented. Okay, so counter is 1. Now for this 6, counter will be again incremented, so counter is 2. Okay, so when we encounter this D, we see this is a non-digit character, but the counter is 2. Okay, that means this should have been cancelled out by the right side of any digit. Okay, so we will not add this digit and we will decrement the counter. Okay, now when we encounter C, okay, again the counter value is 1. Okay, because D changes the counter from 2 to 1. So this C will again decrement the counter and the counter will be 1, counter will be 0. So now for this B and A, counter is 0, then we will simply add this into the answer. Okay, so the answer will simply look like, when we add from the right side, so answer will look like BA because because we encountered B first then A. Okay, so finally we have to reverse the string also. Okay, before returning we will reverse, then it will look like AB, and that will be our answer. Okay, so simply let's do this question. Let's take the initially answer string as empty string, and also digit count is also initially 0. Okay, so digit count equals to 0. Now we'll iterate from the right side. So for int I equals to s dot size -1 I minus minus, sorry, I equals to 0 I minus minus. Now first we will check if the current character is digit, then simply we will increment the counter and not add into the answer. That's simple. So if s of I is digit, that means it is greater than equals to, sorry, greater than equals to 0, and also the s of I is less than equals to 9. Okay, so this is a digit. Simply we will increment digit count. It will cancel out any character in the left side. Okay, and we will continue, don't need to do anything from here. Now if the character is not digit, then what we will check, as I explained before, if the character is not digit, like we are at the B, we will check if the digit count is greater than 0 or not. Okay, so if the character, if this is a character present at the ith index and digit count is greater than 0. Okay, then we don't need to add it into the answer, and we will simply decrement the digit count. Okay, in the else case, if digit count is 0, then we simply add the current character in our answer. Okay, and finally, as explained before, the string is reversed because we traversed from the right side, so we'll simply again reverse it. So reverse our answer, so dot begin and answer dot end, and after reversing we will simply return our answer. Okay, let's run this. Okay, let's submit this. You can also do this question by stack, but we don't need to take extra space, so that's why we did like that. Thank you for watching.